going to learn about soils. So what is soil and how the soil was formed, what are the different types of soils, we are going to learn from this lesson. So soil is a top covering of the earth's surface, the topmost thin layer on the earth's surface, we are calling it as a soil. So soil is helpful for growing the crops, very important to grow the crops. So how is soil formed? So we need a soil to grow the crops. So how this soil was formed? So soil is formed when large rocks broken down into small pieces, small fragments. These pieces further divided into silt and sand. And this silt and sand carried by the water and river and the wind to the different regions and then forms layers. And these layers we are calling as a soil formation. And for this, all this however is a very slow process and takes thousands of years for forming the thin layer of a soil. So soil fertility. So the importance of soil lies in its fertility. If the soil is fertile, then it will be useful for growing the crops. So here, if the soil is not fertile, if the soil does not have its fertility naturally, then the farmers add manure and fertilizers to make it more fertile, and then the fertile soil will produce the more crops. Now let us learn about types of soils. So the different types of soils are alluvial soil, black soil also called as the black lava soil, laterite soil, mountain soil. Okay, we'll start with the alluvial soil. So even the red soil. So first we will learn about what is an alluvial soil and where it forms and which type of crops will be grown in the alluvial soil. So alluvial soil is formed in the northern and the coastal plains. So the northern plains of India is nothing but Haryana, Punjab, Delhi, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttar Pradesh. So in these places we are finding the alluvial soil, and even the coastal plains, the plains which are adjacent to the water bodies, we call them as the coastal plains. So this alluvial soil is a deposit of the rivers, and it is formed when rivers deposits a silt along its banks, along its coast, and it is very fertile, and the crops which are grown in this soil are rice, wheat. So we are saying rice, wheat, jute, and the vegetables will be grown well in this soil. So we'll learn about the next type of soil. So the next soil we are going to learn about black soil. The black soil is black in color and it has been formed from the lava rocks. So that is why we call it as a lava soil. So the lava is nothing but a molten magma. Okay, so the rocks which are formed due to the lava are black in color. So when they broke down into the small fragments, then they turn into the silt. This type of soil, silt we are calling as the black soil. That's why it is also named as the black lava soil, because they are formed due to the lava rocks. So it is mostly found in Maharashtra, Gujarat, Madhya Pradesh. Black soil can hold a large of moisture in it, water vapor, and it is good quality and more fertile soil, and it is suitable for growing the cotton, sugarcane, wheat and oil seeds, because the cotton requires some more moisture in the soil and it requires a more fertile soil. So we are seeing the black soil have the more moisture in it and it is very fertile. That's why the cotton crops, wheat crops and sugarcane oil seeds are suitable for growing in the black soil. So the next soil is the red soil, which was found in the Tamil Nadu, Karnataka, Maharashtra, Andhra Pradesh, Telangana, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Odisha, Jharkhand and northeastern states of India. So this is a red in color and this soil is less fertile. However, when we have learned before that, if the soil has a less fertile, the farmers will add the manure. So the red soil will be added with the manure to make it more fertile. So however, if the fertilizers are added, and then it will be suitable for growing the cotton, wheat, rice, millets and pulses will be grown in the red soil. Thank you.